Alright, so going through this example, hopefully you had to go at it yourself, but if not, that's okay. Let's do it now. Alright, so to find asymptotes, so the vertical asymptote, x plus 2 cannot equal 0, because if it equals 0, then this expression would be undefined. So therefore, x cannot equal minus 2. Looking at the horizontal, y cannot equal k, which in this case is 1. So y will never be able to equal 1, because this expression here could never equal 0, which means the whole expression could never equal 1. So if we draw that in, so y is equal to 1. And once again, you need to use a ruler here, guys. So you put y equals 1, and then you put x equals minus 2. A bit further along down here, you put x equals minus 2. Now, looking at this expression, you can see whether it's going to be a positive or negative truncus, because it's got this negative term at the front there, which means they're going to be, the curves will be in this area and this area as well. Now before we draw it, we should find any x and y intercepts. So x int y equals 0. 0 is equal to negative 1 over x plus 2 all squared plus 1. Just get a bit of space here. Alright, so minus 1 is equal to negative 1 over x plus 2 all squared. Get it up there, so negative x plus 2 all squared is equal to minus 1. X plus 2 all squared is equal to 1, to get that negative on the other side. You can just take the square root of both sides, so x plus 2 is equal to positive negative 1. So x is equal to negative 2 plus minus 1. Okay, so x is equal to, so just getting down here, x is equal to negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3, or x is equal to negative 2 plus 1, negative 1. So if we can go back up here, that makes sense, because it's going to cut at negative 3 here, and then negative 1. Now we, negative 1 here. Now we just need to find the y-intercept when x is equal to 0, which is a bit easier to do. So let's have a go at that. So y is equal to negative 1 over 0 plus 2 squared is 4 plus 1. Negative a quarter plus 1, y is equal to 3 quarters. And that is your y-intercept. So, just to recap, to do it, you need to first identify whether it's a positive or negative truncus. So, probably above that. Or negative graph. Then you find the asymptotes by observation. Then you find the intercepts. And then finally, you graph it. So making sure you graph after you've found the intercepts, just to make sure that you're drawing it in proportion to the rest. Okay, so this is exercise 4B, which you'll be covering in Wednesday's class and through holiday homework. Have a good break, guys.